Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok data. To know how to fix or solve your data on TikTok, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list of apps, you will enter to the window of TikTok. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click on storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can give you a lot of problems. And in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.